Hello, welcome to Cruising with Doc Speed. Today we are with the Cherry Bombs Car Club here in Londonderry, New Hampshire at the 603 Brewery. This is their second year doing this show, and it has been an amazing morning. The weather has cooperated. It was a little cloudy this morning, but cleared right out. And absolutely full. You'll see in the video we've got some overflow parking going on here. Everybody's having a great time. Lots of families walking around. Some cool vendors. The band is playing. I hear they got a couple different bands this year. So, you know, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and let's go cruising. I feel safer. One Adam 12 is here. So I always love this car whenever I see it. Brings back a lot of memories. That was one of my favorite shows growing up as a kid. I was a big Martin Milner fan. Kit McCord was good in that show as well. I got to actually meet them when I was a kid at a car show, believe it or not. Somewhere I have their autographed pictures. But I was a big fan. I also went back and started watching Martin Milner on Route 66. If you know, you know. Nice convertible Mustang. This MG, love the color. There's one very red Ford. Huh, must be a new model of Jeep. There's a caddy, Coupe de Ville. I couldn't agree with the license plate more. And of course, gotta have another Buick. One of my favorites, the 1960. Just love the tail fins on these. The 59s and the 60s. Fantastic, yes it is. You don't see too many of these. We had one for a while, white and gold. Nice car. You know, great looks. They sound great. Got all the Hurst tributes. You got the Hurst shifter, which was fun to use. Not gonna lie. Not very fast, but boy, we love that car. And unfortunately, it wasn't a keeper. Passed it on to a nice family, and they're enjoying it now. Can't keep them all, though sometimes we try. Well, here is our friend Sally's car. Again, if you watch this channel regularly, you probably saw the interview we did with her at her shop, her former shop, some of the work that she's done. And here's what the car looked like. Crazy, right? So look for that episode. I'll try to put a link in the description for that one. And I'm not going to tell you the story of the paint color. You have to watch the episode to understand that. And her new license plate. So there you go. What is this 67 Camaro doing? It's cruising with Doc Speed. Sorry, I couldn't resist. And there's nothing like a slammed town car. Look at this car. These four-door Continental Lincolns with the suicide doors. Look at that. Gray with red interior. Clean. Absolutely clean. Okay, we might put this into the bucket for a bucket list car. Looks like we're a little full. People are waiting, trying to get in. This was a great turnout. 68. I think it's a Bel Air. Car show would not be complete without at least one Edsel. So whoever owns this, thank you for bringing it. There's our friend Dave's car. There's black Chevy here. There's our friend Richie's car. Really good turnout today. Perfect weather. So I had to stop and look at this Corvette. It's a fuel injected. That was the state of the art in 1957. Love this color too. And here's another veteran of the channel. We interviewed the owner of this car last year with the New Hampshire Muscle Cars. I think it was the season closer, and it's for sale. So I'll get a little closer. Anybody's interested, here's the phone number. Now these Marlins are very rare. American Motors. Very cool style. That and the 66, 67 Charger had that fastback look to them. I like the color of this one. Now that is a color. Blues, teals, aquas, love that. Tell people all the time. I said, see that? He's like the second one, but he'd be doing a wheelie all the way out of line. My son's bike is fucking crazy. There you go. No bikes on the people. I saw her on. No bikes outside the perimeter. That's all. Now, the motorcycles that he's got on display, did you check those? Because I was trying to see if he mentioned. But no, it was the article.
See? That's awesome. I'm so happy. I literally trip over them in my bedroom every morning.
They're front heavy, so they just go over.
Nice. So glad. See? Hi.
Hello.
Flash burn by the fire pit. No, he went in the hospital.
They cut mine half off because I have my carotid arteries all blocked up. And
Yeah.
I talked to the doctor, and she was only supposed to like go over like an inch. And when
I'm just sitting here minding my own business, and this Buick pulls up to back into an empty spot. I'm like, well, that worked out well. Mike.
You see.
The things you see. Well,
How are you, buddy?
good, good. How you guys doing?
Well,
You broke my heart, 'cause I couldn't dance. You didn't even walk me around. But now I'm back to let you know I can really shake 'em down.